Hello grade 3. Today you are going to help me do a quiz, like a mini test here in the class. So we are going to look at some questions and you are going to write the answers. Now you do not need your student book, you do not need your workbook. What you need is some paper, or if you have it at home, your green English notebook, your สมุดสีเขียว for ภาษาอังกฤษ. Okay, if you don't have it, then paper. Okay, paper's good, but you need something to write on. So you'll need your pencil, an eraser, and that's all you need for today. You are going to look, listen, and write. I will be speaking to you. You listen, look, and you write the number or letter. We'll talk about that. Okay, with this class, you need to listen with your headphones. And there is a test, a PDF test that you must download and print because you need to write on it. This is the Unit 1 test. Unit 1 test. This is for 10 points for grade 3. This is your first unit test. Okay. I will send the PDF, and the PDF will come with instructions on how to do the test. Okay, so now we're going to do the quiz. I will show you how I want you to write on the paper. Okay? Okay, don't worry. This is just practice. It's practice. What is practice? ภาษาไทยอะไร practice. Practice. ฝึกฝน. Okay? ฝึกฝน. I want you to practice so that you're good when you do the unit test. Okay? Not serious, but good practice. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, for this quiz you will need a piece of paper. It can have lines or no lines, it's up to you. You are just going to write on it. Or you can have your green English notebook, your สมุดสีเขียว ภาษาอังกฤษ. That's okay too. Just something you can write on with your pencil. So here is the page or the piece of paper, and all I want you to do is write part 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Part 2, A, B, C, D, E, F. Part 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And part 4, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So all I want for you is to have a piece of paper in front of you now with your pencil that looks like this. Okay? It should look the same. When you have finished writing this on your paper, you are ready to do the test. You can pause the video now. Stop the video, write this, copy this, and then you can play the video and you are ready for the quiz. Okay, do this now, please. Okay, thank you. When you have finished, we will start the quiz. Okay, this is the start of the quiz. This is part 1. You can see 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see 6 letters in the red square, and they have the special days. So one letter has one special day. A is Mother's Day, B, Halloween, da, 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 da. So what you have to do is match the picture, which I will show you, and the number with the picture. So the picture and number come together, and you must match the number with the picture to the letter. Okay, let's have a look. Number 1. What is number 1? So you write 1 on your paper and now find the special day in the box and write the letter next to the number. So if you think number 1 is C, you write 1C. Number 2. What is that special day? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Is it E? Or is it F? You write 2 and then you write the letter that you think is this special day for this picture. Okay, do you understand? Number 3. What letter is with number 3? Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. So you write the letter next to the number. Okay. Did you do it now? Let's look at part 2. Okay, so that was part 1. This is part 2. On your paper, I want you to write A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Part 2. A, B, C, D, E, F. I am going to tell you the action. You are going to write the number for the action. You can see it with the picture next to the letter. So we'll go A, B, C, D, E, F. And then I will tell you an action and you write the number. So let's go. A. Hug my mum. Hug my mum. So look at the pictures. Find hug my mum and write the number next to A. Okay? B. Eat turkey. B. Eat turkey. What is the number for eat turkey? Write it next to B. Do you understand? Okay. C. Plant trees. C. Plant trees. D. Wear a costume. D. Wear a costume. So what is the number for wear a costume? Write it next to D. E. Open presents. E. Open presents. And the last one, F. F. Make cards. Make cards. So you should have on your paper A, B, C, D, E, F, and then a number next to A, number, B, number, C, number. Okay? Okay. Let's look at part 3. Part 3. Part 3 is about question 1. Let's just put that down here so he doesn't get in the way. You must listen to the teacher, that's me, I'm going to talk. You must look at the pictures. The pictures are under the yellow boxes. 3. Choose the correct word for the question or answer. So there will be a wrong word and there will be a correct word. You must choose the correct word and write the correct letter. So there will be a letter A, B, C, D, E or F. Okay. Are you ready? You have your paper ready, your pencil. Remember you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your paper. Part 3. There are 6 questions. Are you ready? This is part 3. Here we go. Number 1. What's favourite day? Let's look at the picture. Oh, okay. Here are your choices. A. His. B. Her. Look at the picture. Number 1. What's favourite day? A, his, B, her. Is it A or B? You write number 1 and then you write A or B next to number 1. Question 2. What's favourite day? Look at the picture. What's her favourite day? What's his favourite day? Is it A or B? Write number 2 and next to number 2 write his or her. Number 3. Favourite day is Mother's Day. Look at the picture. Number 3. His favourite day is Mother's Day. B. His favourite day is Mother's Day. Is it A or B? Number 3. Number 4. His favourite day is... Look at the picture. Number 4. A. Valentine's Day. B. Halloween. Number 4. His favourite day is Valentine's Day. His favourite day is Halloween. Number 5. Her favourite day. A. What? B. What's? Number 6. Favourite day is Earth Day. Look at the picture. Number 6. His favourite day is Earth Day. Her favourite day is Earth Day. Is it A or B? So you write on your paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then the letter of the correct answer next to the number. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here's part 4. Look at the pictures. Here are the pictures. Listen to me and write the number next to the letter. So you must write the letter first and then write the number. So, A. She plants trees. She plants trees. B. What does she do? She wears a costume. C. What do you do on Thanksgiving? I eat turkey. D. What does she do on Mother's Day? She hugs her mum. E. What does he do on Christmas Day? He opens presents. F. What do you do on Valentine's Day? I make cards. That was the end of the quiz. Now we are going to check your answers. Please have a coloured pencil so you can check your answer. It can be red, green, blue, no black, no white. And we will look at part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 and see how you did. Okay, let's check our answers now. Okay, you're going to check your answers. Like I said, please use a coloured pencil. Please don't use black. Black just looks like a normal pencil. So you can use any colour, but don't use black and don't use white because you can't see white. But you can use purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, pink, brown. That's okay. If your answer is correct, give it a tick. If your answer is wrong, give it a cross or an X. Okay, let's carry on. check some answers. Okay, so here's part one, the answers. You had to match the picture and its number with the letter. So you should have the number in your book first and then the letter next to the number. So let's have a look. Picture number one was A, Mother's Day. Picture number two was E, Valentine's Day. Picture number three was C, Earth Day. Picture number four was D, Christmas Day. Picture number five, F, Thanksgiving. And picture number six, B, Halloween. Please check your answers now with your coloured pencil. Okay, here is part two. Part two, you had to match the letter and the number. You had to write the letter first and then match the number of the picture. So let's see what we got. What was A? A was 2, hug my mum. A, 2, hug my mum. B, 4, eat turkey. B, 4. C, number 3, plant trees. C, 3. D, number 5, wear a costume. D, 5. E, 6, open presents. E, 6. And F, 1, number 1, make cards. F, 1. A, 2, B, 4, C, 3, D, 5, E, 6, F, 1. Please check your answers now with your coloured pencil. Okay, now we're going to look at the answers for part 3. Part 3 was about question number 1 in Unit 1. Question number 1. Can you remember what the question word is? What's? What's? Okay, let's have a look. I'm going to give you the answers now. We're not going to look at the words, the A or B. I'm just going to let you look at the question, look at the picture, and I will give you the answer. So, number 1, what's favourite day? Number 1 is a boy, so the answer was A, his. What's his favourite day? Number 2, what's favourite day? Number 2 was a girl, and the answer was A. A was her. Number 3, beep beep, favourite day is Mother's Day. It's a boy, and the answer was B, his. Number 3 is B. Number 4, his favourite day is, well, you can see the answer here. What is the day? Can you tell me? It was B, Halloween. Number 5, her favourite day. Ooh. The answer was B, what's, not what, what's. What's her favourite day? Number 5, B. And number 6, favourite day is Earth Day. It's a boy. It was A, his. Number 6, A. His favourite day is Earth Day. Okay, check your paper with your pencil now, please. Thank you. Okay, here is part 4. Part 4 was about question 2. So let's remember. Look at the pictures. Here they are. Listen and write the number next to the letter. So what were they? A. Number 3, plant trees. B. Number 5, wears a costume. She wears a costume. C. Number 4, eat turkey. I eat turkey. D. Number 2, she hugs her mum. E. Number 6, he opens presents. F. Number 1, I make cards. Okay, please check. That is the end of the answers. Yay! Okay, here are your answers to check. Part 1, A, E, C, D, F, B. Part 2, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 1. Part 3, A, B, 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 A. And part 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6, 1. How did you do? Did you do okay? Good. Let's talk about the test. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to do the Unit 1 test. The Unit 1 test is 10 points. So here is the first page. Oh, but I don't want you to see. So this is the first page. What are you going to do first? You're going to write your nickname here in English. You're going to write your class number here. And you are going to write your student number here. So the instructions are part 1, look at the pictures, read the sentences, and draw a line from the sentence to the picture so that they match. That's part 1. Here's part 2. Part 2 is read the sentence, look at the picture, and circle the best answer. That is A, B, or C. Please circle only one. If you circle 2 letters, so if you circle A and B, I will mark it as wrong. Okay, this is the unit test. This is a PDF on the Patai Udom Suksa learning website. You must download it and print it so that you can write on it with your pencil. Okay. How did you do with the quiz? Was it easy? I hope so. If you have watched all the way to the end of this video, hello, you have seen your Unit 1 test. So that means 2 things. Number 1, you have a test. Number 2, Unit 1 is finished. Unit 1 finished. Next class we will look at Unit number 2. Okay, so the unit test is on the Patai Udom Suksa learning website for this class. It is a PDF file. You must download it and then print and then use your pencil to write the test. Please don't forget nickname, Churlen, in English, your class number and your student number. Please write these at the top of the page. If there is no nickname, no class number, no student number, you get 0. Sorry, but those are the rules. I have told you, okay? Are you listening? No name, no class, no student number, you get 0. Okay, please go and find your unit test now, and when you have finished, upload it to the homework section for my classes. Please do not upload this quiz we did in this class. I don't want to see it. You have checked it. You know if you did okay or you did not okay. I don't need to see it. Please, please, please do not upload it. My don't upload, okay? Thank you. Just the unit test. Upload the answers for the unit test when you have finished. Okay, great. Next class, unit number 2. See you then. Bye.
ดาวน์โหลดและพิมพ์ข้อสอบ Unit 1 Test เขียนชื่อเล่นเป็นภาษาอังกฤษเลขที่เลขห้องเลขประจำตัวนักเรียนทำข้อสอบด้วยดินสออัปโหลดข้อสอบที่ทำเสร็จแล้วในเว็บไซต์ไม่ต้องอัปโหลดสิ่งที่เราเรียนวันนี้อัปโหลดข้อสอบ Unit 1 Test เท่านั้นสำคัญมากอย่าลืมเขียนชื่อเล่นเป็นภาษาอังกฤษเลขที่เลขห้องเลขประจำตัวนักเรียนให้ครบเดี๋ยวไม่ได้คะแนนนะครับ